Hey, good morning. Welcome to the Gwatney Automotive Minute. I'm your host, Scott Romine, and we're talking with my buddy Jamie Cobb here today.
Hey, good to be here, Scott.
See you. Good
Yes.
to see you.
Yeah.
Hey, it's tax time. There's a lot of people kind of thinking about getting into a new car, and I know there are people that may have some issues with credit and rebuilding credit.
Sure, absolutely.
What can be done there?
Well, both of our locations, Jacksonville, our Chevy store, and our Buick GMC store in Sherwood next to Sam's, we have custom credit managers in the house that deal with exactly what you're talking about, Scott. And that's people that maybe have missed a payment here and there and have a hard time getting a loan. We have guys that are experienced and trained on how to deal with credit issues. The main thing is that we try to help you get set back up again where you can start making payments, and then once you get your credit history rebuilt, then you can move up into a more expensive vehicle, into a newer car. So, yeah, it's something that we specialize in.
What if a person's had a repossession? Is that something you could get around?
Absolutely. I mean, there are things that we have to overcome some of those things. Maybe it be a down payment or a co-signer to help you get reestablished, but we know exactly what to do to help you get back on your feet again.
I know there's people that wonder, but you always hear dealers throwing out the term, everyone is approved.
Right.
And at Gwatney, that is 100%. That's the deal.
That's correct, because we have finance companies that guarantee that we will get you in a vehicle. Now again, there are some restrictions, some things that you may have to come up with to make that happen, but we have finance companies that will approve you on a particular car with the right clarifications and things that you need, documentations.
First-time buyers?
Absolutely, first-time buyer program, we offer that as well. We have discounts for military, teachers, all kinds of programs available for people of all kinds. Yeah.
Thank you so much for clearing this up for everybody.
Absolutely, Scott.
Hey, Scott Romine for the Gwatney Automotive Minute. We're going to see you next Friday.